Hi again. Right, let's look at more examples. This time when it involves all this square root, cube root and all that. So obviously you cannot differentiate straight away. So what do we do here? We change it into y, oh my goodness, y equals to x to the power of 1 over 2, because that's what square root is, right? So dy dx will be, bring the 1 over 2 in front, 1 over 2 x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2. So we can bring that down because the power is negative. Dy dx becomes 1 over 2x to the power of half. That's the answer. You can leave it like that. Of course, you can also change this into the third form, but you don't have to. This is good enough, right? What if the x is at the bottom, right? Same thing, you have to bring it up, right? Y equals to x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Therefore, dy dx will be equals to negative 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 1, you get negative 3 over 2. Therefore, dy dx equals to negative 1 over 2x to the power of 3 over 2. That's the answer, guys. Right. Number 2. What if we have something like this? Interesting. So we learned about this in the previous video. We have to break up the bottom. So it becomes y equals to 2x over square root of x plus 3 over square root of x. X and square root of x you can simplify. So you get y equals to 2 square root of x plus 3 over square root of x. We change this in index form. So y equals to 2x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 3x to the power of negative 1 over 2. And then you do dy dx. So we get dy dx equals to 2 times 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 3 times negative 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 3 over 2, right? And then you simplify that, you get dy dx equals to, this becomes 1, this one we bring down, so you get 1 over x to the power of 1 over 2. This becomes minus 3 over 2, this bring down, so 3 over 2 x to the power of 3 over 2, and that would be the answer. Right, how about this one? This is cube root, right? So when we change it into the index form, y is x to the power of 1 over 3. So dy dx will be 1 over 3 x to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1. How much is that? That should be negative 2 over 3. So we get dy dx equals to 1 over 3x to the power of 2 over 3. That's how you do all that, guys. Right, see you in the next video. Bye bye.